Hello, Siltarians. This is Yoo-Hyun Kim with another weekly report. To get things started on the business and marketing side of things, our Siltair info page has been opened. You can check out everything that is happening with Siltair in one quick glance, so go to info.siltair.com. Next, we are under talks with Crypto.com for a possible collaboration, so more news regarding that coming up. Next, we're going through an ideation phase for a Siltair contents and IP business. So if you have any ideas, we are more than willing to listen. Next, our website and white paper are being translated into Portuguese for our upcoming launch in Brazil. Also in Vietnam, our Sil Token tournament has been launched, so check it out in our info page. Also in the Philippines and Vietnam, our public voting for a new Siltair character has been finished, so results will be up in our info page very soon. Last but not least, in Indonesia, we are under talks with Bukalapak for Siltair exposure at the upcoming Itemku conference in November. Next, in the development and design side of things, our new design for a new login page is under development. Secondly, we are redesigning our server structure for less shutdowns and a better gaming environment. On the operational side of things, we are still listing our tokens on new Korean and foreign exchanges. Also, we had a successful meetup with Siltair holders to have a deep conversation about the future of Siltair. Last but not least, about 800 abusers have been banned and kicked out from our game. So please don't do anything you might regret. Our weekly report will be given out every Friday, so please be on the lookout for that. So until next time, bye-bye.